Rais wa FKF Nick Mwendwa na ugite kurina ubatu wa gwiciria njira cia kuringa njeki mbeu mbithi nikenda maomba gukinyira umbani wa kuthaka mubira wa maguru mari anini. Ariuga ino niyo njira aki ya gutigira mubira wa maguru ni ukwithirwa ugikura ndini.
You selected 2,000 schools. Yeah, so it's really important. Today we train 50 from all the region of Kenya. So now all the counties, the 47 counties. So now from there, let's spread the program. Even without FIFA, with the federation and the Ministry of Education, the program can run. So it's a very independent program. It's about giving skills to children. Giving skills to children from 4 to 14, and then they will continue. So the first year, and it will be integrated to the strategic plan of the FKF, and then it can be sustainable.
This is a lifetime project. It is meant to introduce kids to football so they can have fun, enjoy, then we can pick the best in our other programs. For example, now we are having the finals of the primary schools. We will pick the best kids there. We'll have the finals of the secondary schools. We will pick the best kids there. From this project, 20 years from today when we are not here, me and her, there will be this program still continuing because people were trained. It's like me and you, we had teachers in school. But we also became teachers after those teachers went. That is what we are doing for the future of Kenyan football, because we have realized the only way we can compete with Senegal is to train our kids. So we are doing this in preparation for what we are doing to go up, to give them the skills by 18, 19 to compete with our compatriots. You need to understand that. But this is just impacting skills. For her, she does this only. Then as FKF, we have the other youth elite, primary schools, under 17, under 20, to progress this child